other doodle characters today. So we will start from the left side of our sheet. Okay, very easy lines and freehand drawing we have to do. So let's start from here. We have to make this. Okay, make this round shape. And once this is done, make legs of this. One here now. This is right now looking like what? An octopus to me. And you have to keep imagining.
It also kind of looks like a bush.
Like a bush, like a mushroom. So now this is like the foot of this doodle character. So doodling is just very easy lines and just making something out of whatever lines you are making. Okay. So these are the legs. Anything, any shape can be a character. It can be a triangle, an oval, a square, anything. Okay, whatever comes to our mind. Now see, what am I going to make out with this round shape is the eyes. I will make it like this. This and this. Two eyes are here. Yes. Where is Shreya? Shreya, you saying something? I heard somebody saying something. Yeah, someone was saying, I guess. Okay, and then here is a big smile. So it's a funny character. And then two teeth, one and two. Now it's very simple drawing. I'm sure you all are able to follow up this very easily. This is the open mouth. Okay. So this is my first funny doodle character, which I just made out of some lines, some round lines. All right, now if you want to make something on its head, you can do that also. If you want to make a hat, or if you want to make something, some hair or some funny thing on his head, you are most welcome to do that. Okay, so you can add on anything which you want to do for this one. Now we are going to grow our drawing. How? Now we have to join the characters and keep on making them. Okay, now next what is coming to my mind is a funny one just along with this, which we have just drawn. So maybe I will make one more big stroke like this. Okay, now imagine that what can be his hairstyle. His hairstyle can be like this. And I would love to see if you are drawing something different than me. Okay, see, his hairstyle can be different as well. His hairstyle can be zigzag, zigzag, zigzag also. Okay, his hairstyle can be some these spiral shapes also. Anything can be. You can change, you can add on your own imagination to it. So this is how I am making his hair. This is how I am making the eyes. Oval shaped dots. 1, 2, and a huge smile. Funny one. Ha 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 ha. Teeth. How are you, kids? They're asking you. The monsters, the funny ones. Okay, so you can show.
Can I make his mouth the way I want?
Yes, absolutely, you can. Why not? So it's basically it's an ice cream popsicle monster, a doodle character. No, it's looking like a popsicle, like a popsicle. Okay. Now, what else can I do with these funny characters? Now, what is coming to your mind? Let's grow this more. Okay. So from here, I will make one more line like this, and I'll make a zig, zag, zigzag, down. Now this one is little stylish, huh? Okay, so this one is little stylish and this one is wearing the sunglasses. Now you can make sunglasses round as well, like this also. And the way you want to make sunglasses is having some stripes over it. So when you are drawing, make sure that your lines are neat, it's proportionate, and his dress is like a dress of a ghost, like this. Ghost. See, am I making something, the lines are very difficult? Not at all. Very easy lines. You just keep on growing or drawing some, whatever is coming to my mind. You can make the hands also like this. Hand here, one hand here. And this one is saying, ooh, look at the mouth. What is the mouth saying? Oh, how are you? All right. Now, I'm going to make the most funny, craziest cartoon now. Are you ready for that? Most funny out of these three, more funny than these three. Okay, so let's do this only. We will make it along this one. We'll make it little bigger this time. Okay, this big coming down. And his hair are very funny. I can't think something much funnier than this. Funny, funny hair. Okay, looking like a bush on the head. And this is one eye. Okay, and one eye I'm going to make like this little, not on the same position. ऐसे बनाऊंगी मैं. And I will erase this line which is falling in between. I'll just erase this line which is falling in between. You can also follow the same thing. Okay. And one eyeball is over here. One is in the middle. And this is how one line below the eye you have to make. Okay, now the mouth is going to be very huge and open. Ah, like that. Ah, screaming. Okay, so let's do that. We are going to make mouth like this. Zoom. So we started like this. We came down and then we again went up. We made a line like this. And it's the craziest ever character with a big open mouth. Big open mouth. All right. And
Ma'am, now can I add some things inside the mouth?
yeah, we have to add the teeth, no? 1, 2. He's having gaps between the teeth. So funny. So very funny. Toing, toing, toing. Yeah. And you can also show the tongue and rest of the, this is how you can show the tongue. And this whole part, we are going to color black, shade black. Now, see children, the doodling is basically, there's two types of doodling. One is basic doodling where we do not fill colors. We just keep our drawings white and black. But that's okay. If we want to color, we can color it also. But the basic thing is that we do not add colors to our doodle drawings and they look good like this only. But adding colors will make them look little different. So we can do that. All right. So this is just one thing which I wanted you to know, that doodling can be white and black also. But we all love filling colors. So we will fill colors into it also. Okay. So I'm doing it right now. Maybe you can do this thing while tracing your doodles. And once you will be very good at holding your pencil now, you can directly use your black sketch pens and make such drawings. Doodle drawings are done with black pointed pens, gel pens, sketch pens. Straight away we can do it. Once we have become very good at at the hang of the doodling, then we can do it. So I am filling the mouth black. Now see, how is the look? After I'm filling black inside the mouth, it's becoming much attractive, no? And this has to be done very neatly. No pressure on the sketch pen, on the pencil. So as there are no holes in the sheet, you're not making any holes in the sheet. Crazy, crazy characters. Even you can think of a story out of them. You can make a story out of these. Who are they? They are friends. Okay. So how will you show the bottom of this one? How would you want to draw the legs or the shoes? You can just close it like this and you can show two big shoes, 1 and 2. Anything. This is what doodling is about. Whatever comes to my mind, whatever character, whatever design, whatever body shape, I will draw that. Okay, so this was very funny. Now I have some space on the head, so maybe I'll extend one more this curve lines to show his funny hair. And neatness. Every time I tell you, it should be very, very neat. Right? Now there is this one little monster I will draw here who's having a big, huge eye. So I am finished with my space here. Do you all have more space after this? No? Very good. Very good. So
Yes.
okay, so if you have, then you can think of some design, some character and draw it on your own using your own imagination.
Ma'am, I will be online only because I don't have a lot of space.
Yeah, so you can just leave it then. Okay, so this is what I'm drawing for this one. Now I'll just draw one big huge eye over here like this, like an alien's eye. This and this. Now see how neatly my strokes are looking. Are they looking neat? You should also make sure that it is coming up neatly. We will make the upper line little broader, little thicker. This can also be done while tracing. And this is the eyeball, the huge eyeball. And then again, one small circle inside, one bigger, one smaller. And even you have to shade this eye also black. Okay, and okay, see now these two small white dots which I have left is giving such a nice look to this. It's a real eye. It's looking like a real eye, right? Okay, so to add on some fun to this one, we can just make this something like this, some eyelashes above or the hair. It can be the hair.
Ma'am, can I add something more?
Yes, of course, Shreya, you can add something more. Whatever design is coming to your mind, add it. Just make it beautiful with your thoughts. Okay, keep on adding. See, I made this eyeball also bigger. So as you will keep on watching your characters that you're drawing, you will see what changes can I do. Now making this eyeball little bigger gave it a completely different look, a better look. Okay, now these are ready. Now see, how to grow your doodle drawings is keep on drawing above them also. Okay, so we are going to make a little more above them. And what can we draw? Yes, we can draw some more funny characters. Now we have used round shapes. Let's try with some other shape. So if you want me to stop here for a while, let me know, then I will stop. And then if you want me to wait for some time, or should I continue making? Are we all done? Thumbs ups?
Yeah.
All right. So here I am going to make a funny square or a rectangle shape. So this is how, see, yours can be straight as well. If you want to draw a straight one, you can do that also. I will be making a little tilted one, which looks little funny. So a slanting line touching this monster and going straight and coming down and touching the another monster. Okay, this is how I can show. This one is having ears like a bunny, eyes. Now, this is so super easy and so much fun, and too much of creativity is there to show. Okay, see how I had drawn eyes. I have drawn eyes far away towards the corners. And I'm making the mouth like this, or ऐसे. इसके भी teeth बनाएंगे. 1, 2, 3. Now this one looks little horrified. है ना? Little scared, little horrified. See, the expression is like like that. Very good. Ishita is making the same expression. Very good. And this is how you can draw a tongue. And to color this inside mouth, the inner part of the mouth black, really enhances the characters. And they look really bright. It looks very good. So this is a must for these doodle drawings. Done. Okay, now there are more exciting ideas coming up to my mind. Very good, Ishita. It's coming out beautifully. Very good. So yeah. So now I'll make a funny one again. Very good, Prithvi.
Draw extra one. And
Yes.
because I don't like sad faces,
Yeah.
I made the bunny monster's mouth nice and cute.
Very good. You can do that. See, all of them are cute. Only this one was little horrified. Like that. Why nobody is talking to me? They are just playing together. Nobody is talking to me. Hai na? Chalo, let's make a smiling one now.
But for me, all my monsters are playing together.
Okay, great, good. So this is how, this is going to be my next one with a curved line. You can start from anywhere, okay? We just have to keep on growing it. So this is how, and this is the ear, down, then the head, then another ear. This one is, this body is like this. Eyes. And don't repeat one kind of monster every time, one kind of character every time. Try to draw different shapes, different characters, okay? Don't repeat one again and again. So this is my cutie one, cutie. And you can make some circles in the ears like this. Very simple. We have not done anything, just few lines, and we are making superb things out of it. Okay. Now after this, so I'll keep on moving, keep on growing. I'll make one more over here, overlapped. Any shape that which is coming to your mind, it can be like this also. It can be what different than me as well. So this is how I'm going to draw my next.
I have put eyelashes for my bear monster.
Wonderful. That's something amazing. Eyelashes. I like it. So this one is having a face like this. 2 sharp teeth. Okay. Here. And eyeballs. This is a scary one. Scary. Oh, ha, ha, ha.
Ma'am, this is looking like a dinosaur.
Yeah, very good, Falak. See, Falak is also imagining And she says that this looks like a dinosaur, right? A dinosaur. See how I made its mouth open towards my right side, right? So we can do so many things with just simple lines. We can do so many things to give it a look of proper dinosaur. Even you can make some scales on the head and the back.
By mistake, I had made one small point down. So now the mistake is looking so good, ma'am.
See, we should always try new things. Sometimes it comes out so well that we are thankful that we tried it, right? Very good, Shreya. Very nice. Okay, so I have a little more space, so I might not see. You can draw towards the all the borders of your sheet. आपको जितना बनाना है, you can draw it. Okay, so maybe you can just draw. I will draw one this side on the right side because I have more space over there. So I will draw a cloud, not the cloud because the hair would then match up with this one. So I'll draw this one and I will make his ears like a reindeer's ears. So you can mix up anything with anything. You can mix up the hairstyle of one person with the body of an animal or anything you can do. Anything which is coming to your mind you can do. Now this one is, look at his hair. His hair is just one strand falling from the forehead. And he is a spy. A spy is wearing a mask. Or he is a superhero. He is on a mission.
My last monster on top of the one-eye monster, his eyes are spirals.
Yeah. So see, this part I will do black. The mask. Very neatly you have to do this, and it's very easy. Just the thoughts, let your thoughts flow and just keep on making something. You know, when you are sitting sometimes unconsciously, you keep on drawing something. Anybody does like that? When you're sitting or when there is a pencil in your hand and you're just thinking something and you just keep drawing. Do you do like that? Anyone from you? Shreya, Ishita?
Me? Yes, ma'am, Falak.
Yeah, Falak also does now. That is also doodling.
I do that.
Yeah, very good. So that is also doodling only. So whenever you have free time and a pencil in your hand, just try something new and creative. Like you are learning these monsters today. There are many things which can be doodled. We can also doodle food, doodle stars, doodle shapes, so many things.
Ma'am, I filled 4 drawing book.
You filled the drawing book. Wow. Wow, very nice. Drawing is really good for all of us. We should draw. Okay, so this monster is here now. If you want to grow it more, if you have more space, you can draw as much as you want. And let me draw.
Ma'am, can I show a drawing of mine to you?
You want to show me what?
Can I show you one drawing of mine?
Yes, why not? I would love to see.
Look.
Oh, wow. What's that? It's a unicorn. Flying unicorn. Wow, this is so good. Very good, Shreya. You are trying drawing now. It's really good. Like we should try to draw ourselves also. Very nice. So see, I just made a star over here and I can make a cloud monster also over here, or just a cloud with a smiley. Or you can, even if you don't want to do this, you can make similar kind of monsters also. See, similar kind of monsters, as in you can, if you don't want to draw this, then again make some, you can make a bear, you can make eyes over here, you can make a smile over here. Okay, so it's very easy. You can make a square or a rectangle again. You can show eyes over here and a smile over here. So when you have less space, then you can draw such. Give it ears like a triangle, make some design. So doodling is all about your thoughts, whatever is coming in your mind, any character, anything, just put it on the paper. Ashini, are you making? Very good, very nice. This is good, Ishita. So I am almost finished with the with this space on my sheet. But if you have more space, you can continue making anything that is coming to your mind. And if you don't want to, then also it's okay. We don't need to fill the sheet, but if you will do it, if you want to do it, you can do that. Okay, all right. So see, I just feel that this part also is little empty.
Ma'am, my star monster is confused. He doesn't know what to do.
Yeah, doesn't know. What should I do? See, I made a star eyes monster also. The eyes are of a star shape. So now my sheet is all full and covered. So whatever came to my mind, I kept on drawing and I created so funny characters and so nice doodle monsters. Everybody is saying ha 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 ha. Hello to you. If you look at each one of them, they are saying something to you. Don't you feel so? Hi Shriya. Hello Falok. Which one is calling you Falak? The specs one? Yeah, Falak is on mute. What are you saying, Falak?
मैम मैं कह रही हूँ ये जो बोल रहा है
Yeah.
आपका नाम क्या है? मैं कह रही हूँ फलक वासवानी, ये बोल रहा है
Oh, yes. You see, oh, you are Falak Paswani. Nice to meet you. Okay. So you can continue with your drawing and tracing. I will fill colors into it now. So these are, see, I told you that doodles can remain without color also. It's basically white and black. But yes, we can always fill colors to them to make them more lively and beautiful. So the color choice should be bright. It should not be dull because these are cartoons. So they should look bright and bubbly. So let's choose some nice colors. So I will be starting with yellow. So if
one monster by mistake got late for the party.
Oh, this is the monster party going on, Ishita. Sorry, Shriya. Shriya said, right? Okay, Shriya.
And
Monster party. Your expressions are so funny, Shriya.
And he said that
very good, very good. I am late to the party. Where is the food? You ate everything? You all monsters. You didn't even wait it for me. Right? You see.
he's just going to start.
And zoom, 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 zoom. Very neatly you have to fill colors. Very good, Ishita. This is looking good. Wonderful.
And that's it, Bob.
And see, bache, when you will color, don't fill same color into any of the two monsters which are near, okay? Don't fill colors. Like if I am doing green here, I will not do green in this or this. All right? Because same color, then your monsters will not be very near, nicely. They will not, the person who's watching them would not feel good, and they will not, it will not be enhanced properly. So don't use your one color in the monsters nearby, same color in the other monsters which are nearby. Okay, so see, I am going to do, 1 second, I will be choosing blue for this one. I will not do yellow again.
मैम मैं ना ऊपर वाला जो होता है ना गोल गोल वो बना रही हूँ साथ में.
ठीक है बेटा, good. And neatly coloring, not crossing the boundaries at all. Wonderful, Prithvi. Very good. Very nice. I can see your drawing. Can you trace it now?
Yes.
Very good. Start tracing. Don't rush for coloring. Coloring can be done later also. I always color to show you that how can we color the pictures. We should know that. So now, okay, this is green. So I will not choose green for this one. I will choose a different color. So I've taken purple. All my colored monsters. And keep imagining, what are they talking? What are they saying to you? What are they talking to each other? And share your ideas with me. Yes. Okay. So this one can be orange. We are in a party. Or maybe this is the Halloween party going on. Everybody is dressed up like a monster. Don't you think so? Isn't it?
No, ma'am.
Then what is it?
They are really monsters.
Okay, they are real monsters. They are real funny monsters, no?
But actually, the monsters who all have masks, they are just put the masks like that.
Okay.
Otherwise, they look normal.
Otherwise, they look normal. Okay, look at her imagination. Very good. Very nice. So see, now blue color I used for that monster which is in the left corner. So the same blue color I'm using far away from that monster. I will not use the same color near that monster. Okay, so color it like this, not crossing the boundaries. Okay, so this is colored now, and his hair can be of a different color. Blue monster with green.
Ma'am, can I tell you something?
Yes, tell me.
My one-eyed monster.
Hmm.
In my one-eyed monster, in the end, there's a surprise in the one-eyed monster which I'll show you in the end of the class.
Okay, there is a surprise. What did you say? Surprise?
Yeah, the one-eyed monster. There's a surprise in the one-eyed monster.
Okay, what surprise you will show me later?
Yeah, in the almost in the end of the class.
Okay, fine. When I will ask you to show me your drawings, then show me, okay? So, next monster, I will color pink here because pink is not nearby in any of the monsters. So I can do. So see, be very careful while choosing the color, okay? Don't color all the monsters in same color. Choose nice colors. Color choice should be good. You should choose bright shades. No dull black brown shades should be done here because these are the doodle characters. They don't look good if you will do all the dull colors shade. All right. See how is my color moving also? It should be in the same direction. Now you all have become so good in your drawing, so that I don't have to give you much instructions also, no? I know this. All have become great artists. Wonderful. And only these two are left now to color. So maybe this one can also be yellow because no yellow color nearby. No monster is yellow near this one. And even I have very less color choice here. So you must be having nice more colors. Yes, beta.
இப்போ இங்க என்னோட நெட் கனெக்ட் ஆகல, உன் நெட் தான், நோ பர் டிவைஸ் கனெக்டட். ஸோ
Yes,
ப்ளீஸ் கீப் குவைட். ஒரு 2 நிமிஷம், ஒரு 10 நிமிஷம், இல்லைன்னா நான் என்னால என் போனால பண்ண மாட்டேன். டேட்டாவே உன் போனுக்கு முடிஞ்சு போச்சு.
Okay. Now see,
காலையில எல்லாம்
monsters I have colored, but there is some background which is white. So even you can color your background with some color. Okay, this part
no
color which you have.
almost data is over. காலையில
I
எல்லாமே நான்
haven't
முடிச்சு
used this color anywhere.
உன்னோட வீடியோ
I can
உன்
use
போன்
this
யூஸ்
color,
பண்ணு.
or even you can do multicolor. Even you can do multicolor background, but multicolor also, because I would not suggest you, I will not tell you to do it because my cartoons are already multicolor, so it will be like a hodgepodge. So try and put same color in the background when you will color it. Beautiful. How is it coming up with the colors? Is it looking nice? It's looking so good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in my drawing, the funny monsters are enjoying their party.
Yeah, they are enjoying their party. Nobody else is allowed. Only monsters party is it. It is only monsters party and they are having some good time. Okay, so see, I have used all my sheet. If you have some white space available, you can even write down some dialogues. Yay, hooray, hip hip hooray, anything which can be inside a dialogue box. And see, this white space when covered also, it's giving such a nice and complete look to your drawing. Okay, so I would suggest you to color right now, draw and neatly trace it. And you can begin to color once you feel free. There should be no noise around you. You should feel absolutely you are free at that time, and you should concentrate well and then start filling color. The tongues, I'm doing red color inside the tongues. And once your drawings are done, what do we do in the end? We always, what do? We always give a final finished touch to our drawings. Okay, now see, mine is finished. I will ask you to show me one by one what